Hello and good day to you. My name is Sergeant Pepper. I'm going to show you some things in the kitchen because, well, I know you Americans are lazy and you don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen, but you really want to look good, don't you now? This recipe I'm going to share with you today is going to make you feel it's getting better all the time. Better, better, better. Let's get started, shall we? You need some chicken. Yep, any kind of chicken you like. Another thing I know you blokes like is crunchy things. Yes, there's something about your addiction to crunchy things that I'm going to appease today. So, we're going to use items that can be crunch-like, but we're not frying, not burning. We're simply being gentle in how much we cook a certain item. For example, these zucchini. Now, I know someone who knows me that overcooks these zucchinis regularly. And I say, Dad, I don't like your zucchinis. They're too mushy. So please, listen to me when I say we can still have a crunch if you do it right, just like brunch. Some leftover butternut squash. This is much more, shall I say, nutrient dense than your average white potato. So we're going to use this for some crunch as well. Also happen to have a leftover turnip. This is a turnip. It's a bit odd in shape, but so am I. Don't judge me. This will definitely bring a crunch with less you know what. Of course, some garlic and a small onion. We'll add spices, salt and pepper as we go along. But I want you to know that today is a very special day because although you might think we're creating one dish, we're actually creating three. We're actually creating three. As you wish, we're going to do things rapidly, efficiently, productively for the best results possible. So listen, learn, watch, and enjoy. Here we go. First, heat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, get a pan. If it's not clean, who cares? Bacon grease makes everything taste better. Next, chop all your ingredients and prep accordingly. One thing to keep in mind as you're chopping is make sure you enjoy it. For example, you say yes, I say no. You say fast, I say so. Bloody hell, see? If you move too fast, you end up cutting yourself. Enjoy the process, folks. You bloody blokes. And for the record, I just realized this is actually a purple radish. Yes. Peel your squash, at least this kind, and sing along with me. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, yeah. No, she doesn't love you. Look at what she left for you to clean out. It's a pity, isn't it? So now that you know she doesn't love you, you take a spoon and you gut out the heart of this bloody squash until it's empty and there's nothing left but darkness. You see? An empty hole in your heart. Things will get better. Like I said, better, better, better. And now for the favorite part. I might gently weep while I do this. Don't think it goes like that. How does it go? My guitar gently weep. Back to work. In case you don't know how to peel a garlic, that's how you do it. Were you paying attention? Watch again. There you go. Here come the water slides. Ooh. And now for our favorite green squashy. Don't cut it too thin, otherwise it'll get soggy like you know what. Big enough chunks. Big enough chunks. Chunky. That's what we're doing. We're chunking it. Chunking it. Yeah. Now we're going to dump the chicken in the pot. So lay your chicken out on your tray. The only trick to this is make sure you salt it. Supposedly wise man once said, you can never oversalt poultry. We'll see if we can prove him wrong. And then we're going to add all the veggies except the green zucchini. Stay. Doesn't that look glorious? And now for some pepper. Right, real pepper. Try to open the oven with one hand. 0 hands, actually. Hold, please. Here we go. Set the timer for 40 minutes. And go. And I know you know this saying, a watched pot never boils. So all you have to do now is just let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper smells of chicken, let it be. And if you really can't help yourself and you have to look, turn on the light. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's almost ready. Savory. Warm and spicy. And lastly, smoky. One, 2, 3. Oh, and I forgot to put in the zucchini, you say? No, I didn't. It goes in for the last 5 minutes, you silly blokes. And there you have it. 3 meals, 1 cooking session, and ultimate happiness in your belly.